Nowadays, the art of tie-dyeing is disappearing from society and is viewed as old-fashioned. Modern fashion trends are strong and items are easy to buy. Therefore, this activity is ideal for artists who want to preserve and continue this art so that it remains with the community forever. The process of making tie-dyed fabrics is not complicated. Bring water to a boil in a container that is large enough for the amount of fabric to be dyed. Add salt to the water to make the color last longer and fresher. Use raw materials to color, such as prepared bark or leaves, and cut them into small pieces. Boiling the water will bring out the colors from the raw materials. Wait for the colors to come out into the water. Tie your cloth in the desired pattern. This can be done in many ways. When the boiling water reaches the desired color, take the bark out. Then add the tied cloth to the boiling pot. Leave it in for about 20 to 30 minutes. When you get the color you want, take the cloth out of the pot and wash it with cold water. Remove the rubber bands from the fabric, then twist and let air dry. After you wash again and dry, you will see the beautiful tie-dye you want. Making your own tie-dye fabric allows you to use your imagination in designing the tying patterns. You can also take pride in wearing it because it is your own unique creation that no one else in the entire world has.